Connecting Monday.com with Google Calendar can dramatically simplify your workflow by syncing your project management tasks with your calendar in real time. This integration keeps you on track, and in this video, I'll show you exactly how to set it up quickly and efficiently. So, why would you want to link Monday.com to Google Calendar? Well, syncing these two powerful tools ensures that your deadlines, meetings, and important dates are always in sync. It saves you from missing key events and allows you to manage everything from one place. And it's not as complicated as you might think. First, you'll need to open your Monday.com account and head over to the board you want to integrate with Google Calendar. Make sure your board is set up with date columns for tasks, as these will be the key to syncing with your calendar. Next, click on the Integrate button located at the top of the board. This is where the magic happens. You'll see a variety of integrations available, but the one we're looking for today is Google Calendar. Now, click on the Google Calendar option. A pop-up window will appear asking for permission to link your Google account. Go ahead and authorize Monday.com to access your calendar. Don't worry, it's secure and only necessary for the integration. The next thing you'll want to do is customize your integration. Monday.com gives you the option to sync specific date columns to events in your Google Calendar. This means you can choose which tasks or deadlines you want to show up on your calendar. You can even set it up so that changes made in Google Calendar will automatically reflect in Monday.com. Now, here's the fourth thing to remember. Once the sync is set up, you can view all your tasks, milestones, and deadlines directly in Google Calendar. This makes it easier to see your workday at a glance. Plus, it's a two-way sync, so updates in Monday. Calm will show up on your Google Calendar, and any changes you make to the calendar will reflect in your project management board. But here's the catch. While this integration is super helpful, it's not perfect. The main downside is that the sync is limited to date columns, so you can't fully automate task management between the two tools. If you're someone who needs a deeper integration or more customization, you might run into some restrictions. The fifth thing to note is that if you're looking for something that offers more flexibility or a smoother experience, Monday.com might not be the best choice for everyone. Sure, it's a great tool, but there are other options out there that can sync with Google Calendar and offer more advanced features. For those of you who want something that integrates well with calendars, offers better task tracking, and even allows more seamless collaboration, check out other project management software solutions like Asana or Trello. These platforms also sync with Google Calendar and provide a more user-friendly experience for teams that need flexibility. In the end, Monday.com's Google Calendar integration can work for simple setups, but it's not always the most flexible. If you're serious about finding the best solution for calendar integration, especially for team collaboration, I've got you covered with alternatives. Now, before you go, I want to let you in on something. We secured an exclusive and extended free trial for Monday.com, which you can access through the link in the description. But don't just take my word for it. I've also included some amazing alternatives that offer better solutions for calendar integration and project management. These alternatives come with free trials as well, so you can test them out for yourself and find the one that fits your needs best. Make sure you check out the link to get the best free trial and exclusive benefits available only to our viewers.